Picture this. You've packed your bag perfectly. Everything fits. You're early for once. You glide through the airport thinking, finally, a smooth travel day. Then it happens. The security officer pulls your bag aside. The conveyor belt stops. Everyone behind you sighs. You step forward, trying not to look guilty. The officer opens your bag, reaches in, and pulls out your travel pillow. Wait, what? That can't be it. But nope, that's not the problem. It's something under it. Something you've brought on every single flight for years. And now it's banned. Welcome to 2025, where airline rules have become stricter, TSA policies have shifted, and everyday items you used to travel with are suddenly treated like potential hazards. In this video, I'm breaking down what's now banned on planes in 2025, what's causing all the confusion, and what you can bring instead. You'll be surprised how fast some of these rules changed. Stick around, because item number 6 is something you definitely have in your bag right now. If you love stress-free travel and want to avoid airport nightmares, hit that like button and subscribe. Let's get you through security without losing your stuff or your sanity. Number 1. Smart luggage with non-removable batteries. If you bought one of those trendy, smart suitcases that can charge your phone or track your bag, listen up. In 2025, any suitcase with a non-removable battery is banned. Too many fires happened in cargo holds last year, and airlines had enough. I saw it firsthand in Singapore, passengers arguing with the agent as they pulled batteries out on the floor. What to do instead? Buy a bag with a removable power bank. If yours isn't removable, remove it before check-in, or switch to a regular suitcase and pack a separate charger. It's safer, and you won't lose a $300 bag at the counter. Number 2. Disposable vapes and e-cigarettes. This one's become a huge debate online. TSA and several international airports ban disposable vapes because they overheat and can explode under pressure. Rechargeable vapes are still allowed in carry-ons, but no disposables. Earlier this year, a flight from Dubai to London made headlines when a vape started smoking mid-flight. Nobody got hurt, but it freaked everyone out, and the rules changed fast. What to do instead? Bring a small rechargeable vape and store it in a battery-safe case. Never put it in checked luggage. Number 3. Bluetooth trackers like AirTags. Yep, this one shocked travelers worldwide. Apple AirTags and other Bluetooth luggage trackers have been restricted by some airlines after pilots reported interference with flight systems. Not every airline enforces this, but Lufthansa, Emirates, ANA, and a few U.S. carriers started testing bans. I once saw a woman in Frankfurt get told to remove all trackers before checking her bags. She almost missed her flight arguing about it. What to do instead? Keep your tracker in your carry-on or backpack, or buy luggage with built-in GPS that's airline approved. Number 4. Oversized power banks. Here's where many travelers get caught off guard. Power banks larger than 27,000 milliamp hours or 100 watt hours need airline approval. Anything over 160 watt hours is banned entirely. It's because several fake, high-capacity batteries sold online turned out to be dangerous knockoffs. TSA doesn't care how expensive it was. If it's too powerful, it's staying behind. What to do instead? Bring 2 smaller 10,000 milliamp hour chargers instead of one monster bank. Smaller ones charge faster anyway and get zero attention at security. Number 5. Aerosol sunscreen and bug spray. You're headed to the islands and you throw in your favorite sunscreen spray, then boom, security flags it. Aerosol cans are now restricted under flammable propellant rules. Even travel-size ones can trigger alarms. What to do instead? Pack lotion-based sunscreen or sunscreen wipes. They take up less space, work better in humid climates, and don't risk getting tossed. Number 6. Powders over 12 ounces. Protein powders, coffee, powder drinks, these are the new headache. TSA and multiple airports in Asia and Europe now limit powders because smugglers were mixing them with banned substances. Last month in Manila Airport, a traveler had to dump his entire tub of protein powder. He argued it was sealed, labeled, and legit, but it didn't matter. What to do instead?
Bring pre-measured bags under 12 ounces each. Label them clearly. It looks organized and agents can see you're not hiding anything. Number 7. Personal defense items. This includes pepper spray, tasers, pocket knives, and even sharp keychains. TSA confiscates these every day, and most people say, "I forgot it was in there." In 2025, penalties increased. Some airports fine travelers up to $500 for repeat violations. What to do instead? Carry a personal alarm or safety whistle. They're small, loud, and fully allowed everywhere. Number 8. Magnetic phone mounts and clips. It sounds silly, but magnets are now restricted in some airlines' luggage policies. Strong magnets can interfere with onboard navigation systems and magnetized cargo equipment. I once saw a guy in Tokyo forced to remove magnetic hooks from his carry-on. He thought it was a joke until security held up the line for 10 minutes. What to do instead? Use suction cup or adhesive mounts. They do the same job without causing issues. Number 9. Nail glue and eyelash adhesive. Beauty travelers, this one's for you. Nail glue and lash adhesives now appear on several countries' hazardous materials lists. The chemicals inside can emit fumes under cabin pressure and cause headaches or worse. What to do instead? Pack press-on nails or pick up adhesive at your destination. Most airports have beauty shops past security anyway. Number 10. Self-heating meal packs, MREs. Those heat-and-eat camping meals that warm up on their own, completely banned now. The chemical reaction can explode at high altitude. In 2024, a passenger's meal pack burst open mid-flight and forced an emergency landing. What to do instead? Bring dry snacks, sandwiches, or buy hot meals after security. Many airports now have heat-safe vending options. Number 11. Unapproved lithium camera batteries. New rule. If your camera batteries aren't labeled with watt-hour information, TSA can confiscate them. Too many travelers were carrying third-party brands without safety certifications. What to do instead? Use branded batteries with visible labels. Keep them in plastic battery cases to show you know what you're doing. The rules keep changing, and if you don't stay updated, you'll end up repacking your bag in front of everyone, or worse, losing expensive items to confiscation. Airlines are tightening safety standards because of fires, pressure changes, and tech overload. It's not about making your life harder. It's about keeping everyone in the sky safe. So before your next flight, check your airline's banned items list and update your packing routine. The 5 minutes you spend checking can save you an embarrassing, time-wasting bag search later. Have you ever had something confiscated at the airport that surprised you? Share it in the comments. I read them all. And if you want to stay ahead of new 2025 travel rules, hit subscribe and watch my next video. Safe travels, and I'll see you in the next one.